So this is my first ever vlog, and I had to do it with no other than my bestie. Hey, best friend. But I know this lighting's wrong. Okay, but we are getting ready to head to an event. It is hosted by San Diego Melanie. I actually entered an Instagram giveaway and I won. So we won tickets and we're here, and we're excited. It's an all-black event. Well, I mean, I don't think it's all black, but it's, hosted by the San Diego Melamine. It's called, I think, Baddies Who Brunch. So you have to come through looking like a baddie or whatever. So we just linked up with my girl, Amber. This is Amber Spence Photography. The talented, the multi-business owning baddie, Flesh Boutique. Oh, who is she? Walking to 7-Eleven right here, right there. Because we've been waiting for like 30 minutes for a drink, and we're parched, and we're gonna get a beer or something. Like, it's a lot of people in there, and I have really bad anxiety, so I'm just like really nervous, and the light is green, and it's time for us to go. Guys, so that was actually a fun event. I mean, it was cool. Loved the concept of the event. Loved this bitch is shady. Woo! So yeah, like, I don't know. Scream was funny. But anyways, no, for real, like, let me roll up my window real quick for y'all. Oh, look at this highlight. Look at this nose highlight, bitch. Quit playing. Anyways, you guys, so we just left the event. Yes. Wait, hold on. You guys, let me get directions. So yeah, me and Bestie, we enjoyed the event for what it was. I don't know. I just felt like, I had no clue it was gonna be like that. Girl, I'm thinking this was gonna be like a little women's brunch kind of like empower. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking like sit pretty and like sip tea. Like, I don't know. It said like baddies love brunch, so I thought it was gonna be like a bunch of baddies like loving their brunch, but it was like, honestly, no. So yeah, me and Cream are headed to this place called Holy Matcha. It's like a super insta-worthy place here in San Diego. My outfit just super like went with the aesthetic, and I have such a bomb ass best friend. I was like, bitch, your outfit matches that aesthetic, let's go. She has a super cute ass outfit actually too that she's gonna change into that matches the aesthetic. So we're just gonna go slay. Hopefully we find someone that will like take a couple pics of us. Alright, so me and my bestie are here in North Park. It's like, is this North Park? Technically. Yeah, we're walking to Holy Matcha, and we'll be back once we get our content. Guys, so I think we got our content. Like, we hungry. Like, we're really hungry. But anyway, so I think we got our content. It took about 1,000 tries. It took about 1,000 strangers. But, you know, phone dying, you know, like camera card being full. Hey, y'all. It's your boy JJ in the house, in the higgity. You play too much. Say hi. Say hey, YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Say hey. How's it going?
How's it going?
What are we doing?
So we are going home.
We going home. My mommy just picked me up from a long weekend at my grandparents' house. Tell them how much you missed me. Did you miss your mom?
Yeah.
How much?
A
what?
5 days.
5 days? You missed me 5 days? You weren't even gone for 5 days.
Yes, I was.
No, you weren't. You were gone for 2 days.
No, 5 days.
All right. Say bye, YouTube. Nice seeing you.
No, stop. I still want to talk to YouTube.
Oh, okay. Hey, YouTube.
YouTube. So,
What? Tell them something cool. You bust a rap for YouTube, please.
Oh,
Please,
yeah. Get out of my way. You think it's okay? You remind me of a piece of cake all crumbled up. And my mother looks like a kindergarten shoes on.
Boom! Let them know.
Spider-Man all dressed up as Spider-Man. It's like Halloween.
Man, y'all don't even know what these bars are like. Just so you're not aware, let me interpret to you what he said. He said, you're wearing a Spider-Man costume, and it's not even Halloween. You're dusty, right?
Who, me?
No. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate your love and support. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And please, please, please leave me comments of what you guys want to see more of, whether that's hair, fashion, makeup, whatever it is. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. Love you. Stay tuned for some bloopers. Go.